Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change wallpaper to our preferred photo in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our wallpaper to our photo, we can do it two ways. For example, we can go to the gallery, use our photo that we have in the gallery. Then we have to go to this hidden menu, these three little dots here, and set as wallpaper. Now we have few options here. Let's say we want to lock and home screens to have this photo here, and we need to tap done. Phone is thinking a bit, and our changes are applied, and we have our night as a wallpaper. We can do it differently by going into settings. Then we have here wallpaper and style. Change wallpapers. And here we have our folders. Recent photos, camera, screenshots, and other options will be available here too. But we want to change it back to our default. Yes, lock screen and home screen. Done. And it changed back as it was. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.